Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna take a look at a very special case of a tear on a beautiful foal's hand and help him to cure the wound. If you would like to join us and learn about equine veterinary tips and have a journey upon magical world of horses, stay with us until the end of this video. Let's get started. As you can see here, I injected a sedative agent to sedate foal and start surgery. To prevent infections, surgery site must be shaved and clean. Here I started suturing carefully with lock stick or Ford interlocking pattern. To make sure stitches are strong, I started to apply another layer of sutures with simple interrupted pattern. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Your feedback is very important to us, so please share your comments and suggestions below. Thank you for your support.
فقط این باید حتما آنتی بیوتیک بخوره، محلش هم باید اسپری بخوره. دورم واسه
Here I explained that antibiotic therapy is necessary after surgery and OTC spray should be applied on the site.
آره یه ذره جاش باید بود رو اندام حرکتی بود.